What's up guys? So as some of you might know, I am at film school right now, and during our first year we have to shoot a little short film on film. So here is mine. So yes, that really little short film was shot entirely on Super 16 film. So the camera we use for this exercise is a Aton XTR. This is a pretty old film camera, but it's still a pretty fun one to use. At the beginning of the year, when I learned that I was going to shoot a little short film on film, I was a bit skeptical. I did not really want to shoot a short film on film. I wanted to use a Red or an Arri Alexa or I don't know, but I really didn't want to shoot on film. Now that I've done it, well, I think that pretty much every filmmakers who want to work in the film industry should go through this process of using a film camera, because for this exercise we only had 60 meters of film, and 60 meters of film is 5 minutes of video, so that's not a lot. So you really think twice before to press the little button which switch on the camera, because you don't want to miss your shot. You train and you do your shot like 5 or 10 times without shooting to be ready and to be sure that everything is going perfectly, and then you press the little button. And I think that you can really learn a lot from this process, because nowadays with the SD cards of, I don't know, 128 gigabytes, we can shoot for hours and hours. So we don't care when we press the button, we just shoot a lot and we don't really think a lot before to press this button. And we should, and that's why I think it's really important to go through the process of shooting on film, because you really learn that. So that was such a fun experience. And that's also the first time I shot with a crew. I had my first AC, which was doing the focus. I had everyone on set who was there for my film. So every single person in our class had to be director and director of photography for their own movie, and then on the others one short film we had to be like first AC or grip or I don't know. And that was really cool to switch from all the places, but really the best one is to be DOP and to have the camera in our hands, and the best thing is to have your eye in the viewfinder and you see the flicker from the shutter and you hear the motor and the film going through the camera. That is so awesome to feel what you're doing. And then you remove the film from the camera and you have the film in your hands. I mean, in the changing bag, so you don't see it. You have your movie at your fingertips. So that's such a cool thing. And also, I totally forgot to mention that, but I had a problem during the shoot with my camera. I was shooting and then I suddenly heard a big strange noise in the camera, so we stopped. I went in the changing bag, I opened the storage where you put the film, and there was some film everywhere, which was not at the right place. I don't know what happened, maybe I wrongly loaded the film in the camera, maybe there is an issue with the camera, but anyway, there was a big jam with all the film in the camera, so I just removed all that already exposed film and I restart at the beginning. Hopefully we had only shot like 3 shots at this time, so it was not that big a deal, but it was pretty stressful. And I also forgot to mention, but in one of my friend's short film, actually you might have seen this friend before, I already made a video with him about film photography, but I played in his short films, so you can click up there if you want to check his short film where I'm playing. Anyway, let's get back to the video. So if you have the opportunity to shoot on film, well, honestly, do it. And also, you saw the look. The film grain is just awesome, so really recommend it. But it's really expensive though. So we had 3 cameras for our little short films, but one of them had a little issues and there was still 60 meters of film in the camera. So the teachers told us that we could do anything we wanted to do with those 60 meters. So let's see the footage.
Donc je suis devant un mur de plantes présentement. Les plantes c'est beau, mais c'est chiant parce que en hiver ça tombe et c'est problématique. Bref, pour l'instant je suis occupé de filmer sur pellicule et une caméra comme ça c'est vraiment lourd, mais bon j'ai des bras très musclés donc j'arrive à la porter. Ouais, c'est pas du tout vrai que j'ai un cadre derrière, il n'y en a pas du tout. Mais bref, voilà, j'ai plus rien à dire donc...
Yes, we shot some pretty stupid things on those film cameras. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, to subscribe and to share the video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.